For the past 35 years, S-Conn has established itself as an essential part of the global supply chain, bridging Asia to the world while fulfilling consumer and enterprise needs. Serving over 300 active clients worldwide, S-Conn global reach underscores its recognized value. In an era of skyrocketing bandwidth demand, our products continue to deliver steadfast and reliable value. Looking ahead to the next 35 years, we aspire to shape future possibilities through our technology. Wi-Fi, autonomous driving, and satellite communications will shape the future of communication technology. This year, we aim to fully integrate and manufacture all communication cables and equipment under S-Conn's direct supervision. We are also dedicated to ESG principles, upholding education and environmental protection as essential goals for sustainable development. At S-Conn, we believe we are not only manufacturing products, but also bringing the collective vision of a better future to life. Our precision components drive new possibilities for the future of communication technology.